Despite the odds being against him, Hakari showed no sign of hesitation. With fierce determination and unwavering confidence, he said, "Hakari never ends on a loss." After that, he generates only a green ball. But then, the impossible happens.
This is better than I thought! Jackpot!
While Hakari doesn't employ reverse curse techniques, his domain expansion, Idle Death Gamble, grants him access to unlimited cursed energy for 4 minutes and 11 seconds, reversing any damage inflicted upon his body. Simply put, in 4 minutes and 11 seconds following a jackpot, Hakari becomes effectively immortal. If you are unsure on who is going to win, always bet